All right, everybody. Hey, just welcome to Fast Force Profits. Just want to do a quick review of our single pack and tri pack and kind of go over what the pay differences are in each one of the things. So as we start off here, we got to do a first quick income disclaimer, just that the results and the earnings discussed in this presentation are not guaranteed. They're all dependent on a bunch of variety factors. This is posted on our website for you, but be aware that your efforts dictate the results and the numbers that we're going to show you here and our potential earnings, and no guarantee of earnings with Fast Force Profits. That all being said, we do offer two products, a single pack and a tri pack. As far as a single pack goes, you're just going to get an elite membership to a safe list every month that you pay the $9.95. Costs $9.95 plus a one-time $10 setup fee. In that elite membership, you're going to get 15,000 ad credits, one solo ad, a banner ad with 100 views of 125 by 125 banner. You get a text ad, and you get to mail up to 3,500 members every 72 hours. So that's the single pack. Again, with the tri pack, it's just three positions, three safe lists. So you get 3 times the amount of advertising. And that costs $29.85 a month with a one-time $10 setup fee. Everything is just multiplied by 3. Plus, you get a membership to our marketing tools suite, where you have unlimited capture pages, unlimited ad trackers, and rotators. Okay, that's pretty much the the packages that we do offer. There's a lot more into the side there that we can go over, but I want to get to where we can explore the difference between the single pack and the tri pack. We are a 2x12 matrix. For both the single and the tri pack, you can earn on all 12 levels with ranking requirements or sponsorship requirements. If you don't sponsor anybody, then you can earn income on the first 10 levels. All right. So again, we're a 2x12. We sell 2 products, single and tri pack. Again, the 10 levels with no sponsorship, and we pay 30 cents per person across all 12 levels. Obviously, if you don't sponsor anybody, we're going to pay that same 30 cents across 10 levels. And obviously, your income grows as your team grows. So one of the big things that all people in network marketing have a challenge with is understanding what the difference between a level and a generation is. So I want to clear that up so you know when we start getting into our commission structure, how important the generation understanding is compared to levels is. So in this case, you're at the top, the blue one, and you have level 1, 2, and 3. There's 2 people in your first, 4, 8, and it continues to double all the way through 12 levels. Okay, that's a level. Now, generations are different. Okay, you're at the top. You got level 1, 2, and 3. Your first level gets filled by your upline. For some reason, you sponsor Bob. He ends up on your level 2, but Bob, because he's sponsored by you, doesn't matter where he's at in the matrix, he's going to be your generation 1. You also sponsor Sue and Dan. They're on level 3. Again, you're the personal sponsor, so even though they're on level 3, they're still generation 1 to you. Now, Bob, on the other hand, went out and recruited Sam and Ann, and Sam and Ann are Bob's first generation on his first level, but they're on your third level and they're second generation. Anybody that you sponsor that sponsors people, those people become second generation. It's kind of graphed out on the bottom here. Hopefully that makes some sense. I want to talk about the difference in the earning potential. I'm going to go through the single pack first. I want to talk to you about the different ways that we earn, and then we're going to kind of do a comparison at the end just to show you, what the difference is and how valuable the tri pack truly is. So again, you earn 30 cents per person through level 10. This is going to assume no sponsorship in that 10 levels of matrix. You're going to have 2,046 people times 30 cents. So your potential earnings just with a single pack, $613.80. Now, if you go out and you sponsor 2 people in a single pack, which means you now advance to our first level of Explorer, and that opens a 25% check match on those people. All right. Now, what that does is you got your $613.80, and because you sponsored those 2, our first level gives you the 25% check match. So assuming they don't do anything either in the beginning and they don't sponsor anybody, then you would earn $153.45 off of each one of those people. And so your total, if you just recruited 2 at this point in time, is $920.70. All right. Now, what if you went and upgraded to the next level, or in our advancement, which is groundbreaker? You referred 3, so you referred a total of 5. Now you're earning potential, because once you go into groundbreaker, that opens up level 11 and 12. So that same matrix at 30 cents times 8,190 now pays you $2,457. Okay. Now remember, you recruited 5, so let's go over that now, because your true potential earnings are, and this is assuming that they went out and recruited 5 also, so you get the check match on the biggest number. So you're earning 2457. They are all earning 2457, but since you sponsored all 5 of them, you would earn $614.25 off of each one. So multiply that by 5, you get 3,071. You add those two together from your matrix, $5,528.25. All right, that's a difference of what happens in a single pack. You don't sponsor anybody, you sponsor 2, or you sponsor 5 to get you to the next level. It's going to become significant when we talk about the advantages and the significance of our tri-pack. So what's a tri-pack? Again, when you join in the tri-pack, you actually take first 3 positions and you sponsor yourself, so they become your first generation people, which are you. So all the money that we talk about here is you not sponsoring anybody but the 2 that, because you bought the tri-pack. All right. What does that do? Get you the Explorer. Again, the 25% check match on those first 2 that are you. You earn 30 cents through them 10 levels. So you're going to earn 30 cents, $613.80, but you're going to earn it on each one of those positions. So times 3 is $1841.40. This is with you doing nothing, earning on those 10 levels. But because you got to Explore, you still get the 25% check match on your first generation. So you earn another $153.45 times 2. You add those 2 together, you're earning $2148.30 just by joining the tri-pack, because instead of you having to go refer to, you've already done it. All right. That's the first significant part of the tri-pack. Now, expanding your thing here. Now, instead of in the single pack, you had to personally go out and sell 5 people. All right. If you recruited 4 more, in this case, you'd have a total of 6 people that you recruited. And they all purchase the tri-pack. So we want to go in to see, here's what happens if you go out and sell 4 tri-packs. You're going to advance to that groundbreaker level. Here, you're going to earn your 25% on your second generation people. So you, everybody in blues, times 6 is first generation. Everybody down here in orange on the bottom is second generation to you. So that's going to become significant as we go over the numbers here. So here's the real thing that makes it beneficial. If you just sell tri-packs and you own a tri-pack, remember, you own the top 3 positions and you sell a tri-pack on the left. Well, each one of those positions pays 30 cents to their upline. So in this case, position 1 at the top, 2 on the left, 3 on the right. Let's just call it for that. Position 2 and position 1 are both going to earn that 90 cents. What does that mean? Instead of you earning only 30 cents like you would in a single pack, you're going to earn $1.80. All right. Per, when you sponsor the one on the left, you're going to earn $1.80. As you keep going across, they're each going to pay you $1.80 because of the way the matrix has to pay upline to those positions. Now, let's keep talking about how much money that is. So now we have, you recruited 4 people. You now have leveled up to the groundbreaker, and you filled out all the matrices. Everybody's done their part. They've recruited their 4. And from your 3 positions, you're going to earn $2,457 a month times 3, right? Then you're going to check match yourself twice and your 4 personals for a total of $3,685.50. Then you're going to get a 25% check match on the 8 people that are on your second generation, which is another $4,914. If just looking at this scenario alone, that total earnings is, $15,970.50. I want you to I didn't do all the math going down the 12 levels. If everybody did this, this number would be a lot more because you'd be, well, you'd have some second generation people maybe that would show up. Anyways, but yeah, $15,970.50, not bad. All right, let's go through the comparisons. We talked about each scenario. How much was it if I did a single pack and I didn't refer anybody? $613.80. If I recruited two, how much money would I make? $920.70. If I recruited five, I would make $5,528.25. This is because you would now go to level 12. The first two examples, you're only getting paid on 10. Once you got that fifth person in there, you're going to go up to, and actually this is recruit three more. So you recruited two, then you recruit three more. It's total of five. Down and below, you didn't didn't refer to, you bought into the tri-pack, which automatically gave you your first generation sponsorships. And with those 10 levels being filled out, it's $2,148.30. So $9.95 a month for a single pack, $29.85 a month for a tri-pack. In doing nothing, you make $920.70 in a single pack, right? Actually, you only make $613.80 if you do nothing. If you do nothing in the tri-pack, you're gonna make $2,148.30. Now, when you go into the referral process, in order to level up or rank up, you're gonna have to recruit all five of those people. So recruit two and then recruit three more, get you that total of the 5528, right? Now, in the tri-pack, you only have to refer four, sell them a tri-pack, and your income goes to $15,980.50. Big differences between the single and the tri. I wanted you to really understand why we promote this. And our ranking advancement cycle, again, sponsor two, you become explorer. Sponsor, and you get first generation 25% check match. Sponsored five total, you get to be groundbreaker. You open the 25% check match on generation two. You go to 10 personal sponsors. You go to Trailblazer. It opens up the third generation 25% check match. Then if you go up to 25, you get to Icon. You get that fourth level 25% check match. Now, remember, as we went all through that, we only talked really first and second generation check matching and stuff. And as you could see from the overview, that the money is in the match. So the more people you sponsor, you're going to be drawing a big commission on multiple people throughout your generations. Remember, if you're sponsoring 25 and they're sponsoring, you can only imagine the numbers that can be produced or the potential earning that we have. If you sponsor 50 or 100, we have two other levels in the company. 50 is a celebrity. What that gets you is a share in 2% of the profits. And if you go to 100 people, you get a share in 5% of the company profits. I just wanted to share all that with you. Hopefully that clears up a lot of things, makes the big difference between the value of a single pack and the tri-pack. Thanks.